Today's science project will be showing if lemons have an electric current from its sink. So I'll be getting out the materials and I'll be right back. Now that I got all of my materials out, what you need to do this is 4 large lemons, 4 copper, a voltage meter, and galvanized nails. As you can see, I already put one in, as you can see. And I'll just be getting the others and putting it here. So you can see that since now it's in there. I'll just put one more. And now I'm going to be sticking them in the lemon. But first, I need to roll the lemon for maybe about 10 seconds. Good. And I'll be right back and roll. And then we got our juice packets all charged up and ready. We'll be putting some nails into it, so I'll be trying to find a good place to put it. So like I'll be like right here. I'll put it right here. Stick that in deep. And push this one into the other one. Push that in deep like that. And so. And then pushing the nail here, and then in case I'm just gonna push that in like right. I'll be right back. Okay, now that we got all of it set up, we'll just get a voltmeter. I'll put it on 75 since it's trying to look at volts. I'm gonna put the red one onto the copper, and then this one to the other one. That, and it says that it reads about 5. If you can see, like about 5. Oh, 6. Let me try and put the lights. There you go. And you can see that it says 5. We'll put it on a better one, and it says about 5, 6. So these lemons may not be that big, but it does show that there's an electric current. So, yeah, and some lemon juice got on my hand, so that's okay, but it reads about 5.6, so that will probably be useful, so that's good, and that's all for this time.
The lemon battery does not create electricity, but it allows to transfer the electrons because it is a conductor, yet the electrical current keeps going down because there are less and less electrons going from the zinc to the copper. When there are less electrons to transfer, there is going to be less electrical current being created. So the lemon battery is not a reliable source of electricity because it does not create a lot of electricity and it does not last very long. It would have to be replaced too often because it can't consistently be used. A regular battery does not last forever either, but it lasts longer.
Any questions?